Hi YouTube family, this is your boy Dr. R from Dr. R TV. Me and my wife just sitting out here having us a good beach day. As you can see, drinking us a good Pina Colada with no alcohol, y'all. We're not out here on the beach getting drunk, but we is out enjoying the beautiful view. Relaxed with our feet crossed, kicked up. As you can see, we're on the private beach and we have it all to ourselves. We're just getting us some meantime away from the children so that we can get some relaxation and take in a good breeze. This is what life is meant to be, and this is what life is always being enjoyed. As you can see somebody down through there, I think they doing some type of boat sailing. But we out here drinking us a Pina Colada and taking in the sun. As you can see the crane, he diving working for his fish. We have already been fishing. And we're trying to get others to learn to fish for themselves. We don't want to keep bringing fish to people. We want people to get smart and start doing like the crane, scan the vicissitudes of life and dive in and get your bag. And once you get your bag, you won't have to worry about nobody else's bag. You can come here and enjoy the beach with your wife and your children. It's just me and my wife today, but you can enjoy the wife and your children on the beach. No violence. No one come to us saying we suspicious. No one watching us and looking at us like we don't belong. This is what every melanated king and queen should do. Get your queen out the house. Get your passport. Come to the Caribbean and sip your Pina Colada. If you like alcohol, then do it. We just prefer not to. Because we're not trying to run from problems or either get intoxicated to get out of our situation. We already out. So we don't have to put alcohol with ours. We just sip it natural and straight. So we're going to call this Pina Colada Day on the beach. Learn to get out and fish in life. Not fish for women, not fish for men, but fish for your family. So you can feed them unlimited resource, unlimited help, unlimited wealth. This is what it's all about. Yeah, you can see I got my foot crossed. You can see my wife got her foot crossed. And you can see we sipping on us a Pina Colada. Stress-free, debt-free, worry-free, and the rest is history. Also, I'm considering starting a class online, and the class is going to be about how you can get debt-free and freedom. Also, when I get everything set up, I'm going to set a class how that you can move abroad and make wealth back in other states, in other countries, across the world. Also, I know many ways to make wealth. I'm going to set up some type of system so that if you want to get the inside information, inside things that we don't show on YouTube, you'll be able to get access to that, but it will have a fee attached to it. And I'm not just going to teach you about a job. I'm going to teach you a life trade, a life skill that can set you up for the rest of your life. How you can make wealth in 30 days that'll change your life forever. So this is your boy Dr. R from Dr. R TV. Relaxing with his queen here in the Caribbean. This is what every king and queen should do. We're the original people. The Most High created the world for our sake. And he didn't create it just for us to be in America. Our ancestors was driven over there by evil entities. The Europeans, the French, the Britain, and the Americans. That's the reason why a lot of them feel like it's our home. Yes, because you're born in a place, that don't mean it's your home. Your home is where you make it. So we choose to be in the Caribbean. Doing this right here. Voice you can see behind us. Sipping on this right here. Having an awesome day. No disturbance. We at peace. We not over here fighting political battles, racial wars, racial tension. We're not over here doing that. We're over here in peace. And today, subscribe, like, and leave your comment in the section below. This is your boy Dr. R from Dr. R TV. Peace.